Hey, I'm Tommy. I built the interactive 3D centerpiece that stops people at your booth or installation. White label, let me show you how. So here's the kind of thing I built. This is an interactive 3D piece running in a browser, perfect for a touchscreen on the floor. Watch. Visitors explore it, pull it apart, tap any part to see how it works, even operate it to learn the common use cases. It runs on any screen or kiosk, nothing to install, and I can build it from your client's real CAD file, optimize it for quick web loading, and host it for you. Here's more. Walkable spaces, product stories, animated systems. It all ships under your name. Your client sees your studio, and I stay invisible as a subcontractor. Send me the concept and your show date, and I build it before your deadline, most in about a week or two. Got a show coming up? Book a call with me. The link's right here.